Hello guys, how are you guys doing? Today is the second part of, Baldi's Basics. So today guys, we are gonna play Baldi. Again, here it is. Wait, that's screen recorder. Here's Baldi, once again. Start. There we go, story mode. Alright guys, comment down below, how's your day? And by the way, I'm gonna practice making to start a video. I'm gonna make yo, what is up you guys, that one, but I'm gonna try to think of a different kind. So guys, comment down below once again, what's your favorite game? So one more thing, what's your favorite, what more is your, sorry guys, who alright, who do you like more, Baldi or Playtime? Let's see. Alright. Please be -7. No! Alright, man, I make mistakes. I don't like that negative sign once again. Alright, now Baldi's gonna come and slap me with a ruler. Oh my god, no, not again! He's always fast. Alright. Then 1, 4, and Alright guys, we're off to a bad start. Okay. Please be normal, Baldi. Yeah, that's how it's supposed to work. Is he? Okay, I don't trust where he's going, so I'm gonna go this way. Let me grab this quarter. No, Playtime, you're not getting me. You're not gonna get me. Not this time. I'm sorry you want to play with someone. I know that's your name. But not with me. Not today. Not today. Wait, what the? Oh, no. Wait. No! Oh, wait. Doesn't the door make her stop playing with me? Please. Man, why isn't the door closing? That'd be great. Anyway. Alright. Baldi disorienting tape. Alright. I need to spend that quarter on a B soda. So that's 3, 0, and I get angry for every problem you get wrong. That's what you always say. You keep repeating it, and I probably might beat you today, buddy. So we can talk about this, So Baldi's gonna come follow me, Alright, bro. You're too slow, okay? Don't even try, okay? He's gonna watch him disappear. 3, 2, 1, boom! He's dead. Oh, my bad. Alright. So, I completed that one, and I completed that one. Principal and Baldi. Baldi coming at me with the ruler. Wait, no, Playtime, please, please, please. No, Playtime, please, no. No, please, Playtime, please, man. Come on, Playtime. You're always doing this to everybody. Alright, round 2, guys, round 2. Education and learning, that's me, okay. We already know that introduction of yours. Alright, let's go. 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 7. Great job! That's right! Well, you exist. So many people say, what does that mean? Me too. I don't know what that means, to be honest. Alright. How many more minutes? 4 minutes. Whew, okay. You can use it on. I know that. Okay. That was a mistake. I just got that both wrong. Alright, anyway, we were gonna get this wrong in the first place. So, oh no, not this part again. Let me save up my stamina. Alright, I'm going this way because somehow Playtime comes out of nowhere from there. Alright, yeah, gotta sweep, is there? Bro, how you coming here so fast? Alright, I'm just gonna yeet my way down here. Playtime, you better not come
No running in the hall.
No running in the halls. Stop telling me what to do.
50.
Dang it! I was so
Detention
close.
For you. Your parents.
Oh
don't know
no,
about this
my
one.
parents don't have. I don't have parents. Damn. Alright, for real, I do have parents. It's just like I don't have parents in this game. First prize! Come back for me. Wait. Jeez, that scared me. Just gonna get this. 7, 11, and good start, you know. Hold on, guys. Let me drink my water. Fresh water. Whoa, 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 whoa. What the? Oh my God! You scared me. I better not run again before a principal comes near me. I'm watching you too, you know. I'm just holding this. Okay, that's not the best time. Here, come push me this way. I mean, I know it's not a long way, but do it anyway. Marry you. You're a boy. I'm not gay. No, I don't want him to get me. Come on, go here. You just got trolled. Oh yes, this, I need this. I don't really like... Oh, you want to be my friend? Sure, but we're not gonna, you know, marry each other because that's weird. Alright, I'm definitely gonna get this because you know who's gonna come around. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Bro. Alright, 6 and blah. I hear every door you open. I hear every slap you make. Oh! I know I'm not cool. Bro, I hear him so close to me. Even though he's... Oh man, I need to spend it on the B soda. Alright. No running in the halls. I hate when he... Come on, quick. Oh, come on. Quick. Get it. Whoo! Alright. Wait, please be negative. Alright, good. So that's 92, I know for a fact, and 95. 95 the answer. You can't get wrong. Alright, now you can come find me, principal.
30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Detention for you. Your parents will hear about this one.
I don't care what you say. Get alive. Why do you always open your mouth? Like, bro. 5 out of 7. Good, doing good so far. Good. I make some mistakes. You're too loud. I'm so happy I still don't see Baldi. Oh, that's when I'm gonna use the scissors. Time to use scissors. Alright. Oh, I see a quarter. And I see the vending machine. Oh, okay. I thought I had to. Alright, we all know that we have 1 B soda that we can splat him. At least it's better than 1. I mean, I have 1. At least it's better than nothing. Alright. Still don't see him, so... Or you could just stay out of my way. How about that? That's a better plan. Whoa! That's what the board says. Anyway, 3, -2, 0. I knew it wasn't 0. There's no answer for this problem. Let's keep going. Just keep solving mathematics. Just keep solving mathematics. Just keep solving mathematics. Bro, I never knew that someone can whistle that much. Alright, I'm gonna wait Baldi to come over here. Then when he comes here, I'm gonna use this. Come on, you freak show. Come on. You wanna come for me? You wanna spank me? Nope, not today. Alright. That is so useful. Alright. Wait a minute. Where's the next? Wait. Oh man. Wait, it has to be here somewhere. Come on, I want to get the 7th notebook. Wait. Alright, that means if no principal behind me, then I can get a notebook. Dang it! Where's the other notebook? Alright. Now I don't hear him anymore, so... Yeah, but don't play with me. Oh, he's all the way over there. I'm just gonna save this, thank you very much. Nope! Sorry. That makes me sad. La, la. Wait, what's in here? Oh no, I hear. Oh my god, he's so fast. Still don't see him. Alright. No. Okay, good. No? Still nothing? Alright. First of all, let me just, don't mind me, but I'm just gonna spend this. Yeah, sure, why not? Come here.
Will you marry me?
No, I said for the 5th time. Oh, another quarter! Goodness. Oh my good God! Joe! Bruh, he was so close. Oh my God. Oh wait, now I can have 3. But I think it's better to have this. Oh, again, Baldi? Wait, what? Bro, you're scary, the legitimate. Oh my God. Okay, Baldi. Bye. Bye. Come on. I need to save on myself. Please be the last one. Please. I beg you. Yes! Finally, we have 7. 7. Come on. 9. 6, 5, 4. 4. Yes! Okay, guys. 7 notebooks. This is the last one. This is the last one. If I lose, if I win, either one, then that's the end of this game. 3, 2, 1. I am so nervous, but let's do this. He's gonna say congratulations. Oh my God! No! Oh my God, no! That wraps it up. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment saying I subscribed and liked. And if you want me to make more of these videos, comment down below saying I want more Baldi, and for sure I'll make more Baldi. So hopefully you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. See you guys!